ideas must now be supported by facts. ठीक है, so what is the main thing to be supported for ideas? That they should have strong grounds of facts. ठीक है, कि facts की पे उनकी basics होनी चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आपके ideas हैं so they should be useless या फिर जो है ना baseless होने चाहिए. It is not possible in this era. ठीक है बेटा, in order to be acceptable to the scientists or to people who use the scientific method, and your ideas should be so strong, should be so sound that all the people and even the scientific people, mean to say the scientists, they should have strong belief on it if your ideas will be based on facts. Clear, students? Okay, last paragraph. The discoveries of scientists have helped people during an attitude of open-mindedness. Okay, what is the next thing? That the discoveries of scientists, कि जो scientists की discoveries हैं, ठीक है, what have they discovered, what they have invented, उन्होंने क्या invent किया, क्या discover किए, have helped people. Okay, help mean assist, लोगों की मदद की है, develop an attitude, ठीक है, टू मेक एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ ओपन माइंडेडनेस. कि ओपन माइंडेडनेस है, ठीक है, ओपन माइंडेडनेस को हम क्या कह सकते हैं, ब्रॉड माइंडेडनेस या लिबरलिज्म. ठीक है, तो लोगों के दरमियान जो है पीपल हैव डेवलप्ड एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ liberalism, mean to say their minds, they have been opened by the scientific facts and discoveries. So they are more willing to look for new truths than to assume that what has been considered true will always be true. Okay, students? So what is the author is saying in this paragraph? That they are more willing. ठीक है, willing mean agree या desirous या eager. ठीक है, these are the synonyms of willing. That they are more willing to look for new truths. कि वो जो नई सच्चाइयाँ हैं, they are more willing, they are ready to look, to search for new truths than to assume. Assume mean presume या suppose. Just suppose कर लेना. Now people are finding the logic of everything. ठीक है बेटा, अब वो logic तलाश करते हैं कि why this thing happening and what is the reason behind this. ठीक है, so science has made people more logical and more thinkers. ठीक है, ज़्यादा thinker बना दिया लोगों को. You assume that what has been considered true will always be true. कि जो considered mean understood, कि जो पिछले ज़माने में जो consider किया जाता रहा है that it was true so it will be true, now it is wrong. ठीक है, अब ये ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं है. It's not possible today. So because people have had to change their old ideas as a result of new discoveries made by scientists. अच्छा, अब क्या हुआ है जी? What is the reason? Because people have had to change their old ideas. कि लोगों को they should have, because this is the time now that people need a change in their attitudes, in their thinking, in their notions. ठीक है, they need to come out of old superstitious beliefs. So what is the author saying? That because people have had to change their old ideas as a result of new discoveries, और new discoveries की वजह से people should change their ideas made by scientists, और वो discoveries जो कि scientists ने की हैं. ठीक है, they are less likely to accept conclusions as final. They are less likely. Okay, likely mean liable या फिर tending या expected. ठीक है, expected कि ये मौजू किसी चीज़ को समझ लेना. ठीक है, they are less likely to accept. अब वो किसी चीज़ को कम जो है वो मौजू ख्याल करते हैं. conclusions, ठीक है, कि जो भी नतीजे समझें कि what are the results. conclusion mean results, कि किसी भी चीज़ का या किसी भी आइडिया का या किसी भी हैपनिंग का जो भी रिजल्ट होता है as final, that they should consider it final. It's not possible for people now. Okay, because science has changed people thinking a lot, so it is very difficult for the people to believe on what is going on. Rather they indulge and they try to find out what was the reason. आपको पता है कि जो कोई भी न्यूज़ चलती है on the YouTube and on any news channel, ठीक है, so people we find different attitudes, different research on that particular happening, because gone are the days when people believe that what is shown or what is said is true. Now people try to find out its logic, that whether what can be the other side of this thing, what can be the other prospect of this thing, ठीक है, क्या और चीज इसके बारे में हो सकती है, people try to find out. So scientific method, using the scientific method, it is a very good lesson, and it has told us that how science has changed our attitudes, how science has changed our health problems, and how people they have change their false notions, ठीक है, कैसे उन्होंने अपने false notions को change कर लिया, and it all due to the blessings of science, ठीक है बेटा. So we should always be positive, and or everything has negative as well as positive aspects, so we should focus on positive aspects, ठीक है, उसकी positivity में जाना चाहिए बेटा. Try to make yourself away from negative aspects, ठीक है बेटा. So what is your assignment now, that you have to prepare its exercise. I will show you its exercise. These are the notes, ठीक है बेटा. Notes mean these are the similar words, and I have and these are present in your textbook, ठीक है, आपकी textbook में सारे मौजूद हैं. And beside these words I have already told you a lot of meanings, a lot of similar meanings of difficult words, so you will memorize these meanings, ठीक है. Have a look on all these words, ठीक है बेटा. And there are a portion of question answers. Answer these questions. There are 8 questions in your textbook, and what will you do? You will prepare these questions, and beside these you have to read your text very carefully, because from your text these are also your textual questions, but beside these questions maybe other questions can be asked by the examiner. So you have to prepare your text, your lesson very minutely, so that you may be able to answer all the questions that are asked by your examiner from any lesson. Okay students, I hope you will follow my instructions, and you will follow my advice, and you will do what I have told you, and I hope that you have well understood this lesson, and I tried my best, and inshallah you will comprehend it, and with the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everybody will keep safe and healthy. Inshallah we will meet tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed and be happy. Allah.